guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing this look right here. This is like a formal makeup look. So if you wanna see how I did this, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so I'm using this BELO tinted sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen kasi lightweight lang siya. And then, I just spread it all over my hands kasi parang nasasanay ako sa kamay. I really like using my hands when applying like face products. I don't use brushes and also sponges on a daily basis. I just use sponges and brushes in my special occasions. But for this makeup look, I'm gonna be using my hands. So yeah. I just blend it all over my neck also. So the next thing is my Pond's Flawless White BB Cream. This is my favorite drugstore BB cream, you guys. As in, ang ganda niya. As in. Actually, si Heart Evangelista yung nag-persuade sa akin na bumili. Kasi in her videos, she uses Pond's. So yeah. Pero actually, paubos na nga ako eh. Kasi I've been using it the whole time na. I don't use my Misha BB cream na. Ito na yung Pond's na yung ginagamit ko. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda niya sa skin. Tapos lightweight lang siya. Yun yung nagugustuhan ko talaga sa kanya. So, yung next is to conceal. And I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Conceal lang tayo sa mga malas sa mga buhay natin. Mga malas. Mga sumpa. So yeah, I just blend it using my hands again. Kasi it's, when you're blending a concealer, it's much better sa yung hands mo. So yeah, yung ginagamit ko na powder is yung Fashion 21 Two-Way Cake Foundation. And then, I top my under eyes with this Shiseido Medicated Baby Pressed Powder. I think that's the name. So yeah. Yun yung mga favorite powder ko. So, yeah, I did my eyebrows na kasi it will take too long for me to make my eyebrows. So, I'll be doing my brows in a separate video for you guys. So, yeah, I'm getting my EB Pro Play Palette. Tapos, kuha lang ako ng light brown shade para sa aking transition color. Importante talaga yung transition shade because it makes your eyeshadows blend in well. I think, yeah, yan yung term. Basta mas better siya mablend yung mga eyeshadow if may transition shade. Tapos, for beginners, it's much easier for you. For me lang kasi, ewan ko, parang ang dali lang mag-blend. If may transition color ka na, madali lang mag-blend ng eyeshadow. Para siyang no-fail eyeshadow makeup look. So, yeah. Yung next thing na gagawin ko is I wet my brush and use like a frosted eyeshadow. Yan. That's the frosted rosy eyeshadow na ginagamit ko. Tapos, iwewet ko yung brush ko ng water. Tapos, i-dip ko sa eyeshadow para mas opaque yung color. Parang mas maganda yung color payoff niya. So, yun. Let's apply that on the lids. Yeah. As you can see, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng kulay. I'm really impressed sa EB Advance na eyeshadow palette. It's just 149 pesos and I actually got this at Robinson's Galleria. Yeah. So, ang tsaka naman. Ang tsaka ng lighting. Pero, oo. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng eyeshadow. Really. Na-impress talaga ako sa Bilena, guys. Bilena fan ako. So, yeah. I'm gonna keep buying more Bilena products kasi affordable lang. So, yes. The next thing I do is like, I take the frosted eyeshadow again. Tapos, ginagamit ko lang yung hands ko para mas opaque talaga yung eyeshadow. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Really. As in. Parang siyang light makeup look. pero glam na siya. So yeah, the next thing is applying like a darker outer crease color sa outer crease. So yeah, dapat darker, parang siyang half moon effect. Ganon yung peg natin. So the next thing is I line my hindi siya waterline. I line my upper lash line ng itong Essence Brown eyeliner. Parang, ewan ko, parang retractable siya guys, pero it's very affordable, 179 pesos lang. I got mine at SM Seaside, Watsons. You can get yours too at SM Seaside if naamo diri sa Cebu. But if you're in Manila, I'm not sure where you can get this Essence eyeliner guys. So yeah, ang ganda niya kasi hindi siya nagsasmudge, as in parang siyang nagsiset yung eyeliner. Ang ganda niya, in fairness. So next thing is I curl my eyelashes before I put on my, ano ba yung tawag niyan? Kalimutan ko. Yung false eyelashes, yeah. So the false lashes I'm using in this video, false lashes, is these Taiwan Lashes in the variant Y66. So yeah, look at me, I'm putting on eyelashes. Parang nahihirapan ako dyan na, in fairness. Kasi yung glue na ginagamit ko, hindi siya yung favorite glue ko. So I have to buy, yung favorite ko na glue is actually yung Daiso na eyelash glue. Gusto ko yun kasi it stays sa waterline na niya, o sa lashes niya. So yeah, so apply your falsies, and then ngayon I just put like a dark eyeshadow sa aking lower lash line, and nag-touch up lang ako ng powder kasi ang init guys. Hindi ako nag-fan dito. Naiinitan talaga ako. Tingnan mo, I'm sweating na, pero sige na lang. So ngayon, I'm putting in my trusty, hindi naman siya trusty, but I just really like this Revlon Grow Luscious Mascara. So ngayon, I'm putting in, wow, tingnan nyo sa video, yung frosted eyeshadow sa inner corners. Ang ganda, very opaque. Yeah, so I'm putting it in my inner corner, and then I put like a lighter matte color sa aking brow bone kasi maglalagay naman din tayo ng highlighter dyan, so matte na lang. Ngayon, yung ginagamit ko is yung H&M bronzer. I use the bronzer as my contour, bronzer / contour na din. I'm really not fond of contouring or bronzing or whatever, so yeah. But I think I feel the need to put contour and bronzer kasi para may dimension yung face ko. So next thing is, I think nose contour. Yeah. Yung next thing is the nose contour. So I still use my EB Play palette, and I use like the gray shade na matte. Grayish yung tone na ginagamit ko for my contour. Mas natural siya tingnan. So the next thing is blush on. I use this EB Advance blush on. This is my favorite blush on as of the moment, in the shade Rose. Ang ganda ng blush on. Matte siya pero maganda siya sa cheeks. Ang ganda ng color niya. Tingnan niyo guys. Oh ha? I think 105 pesos lang ito. So, ano ba yung ginagawa? Yeah, highlight na yung favorite part ko kasi nagsismile na ako. So, I use this Detail Makeover highlighter. I think 275 pesos. I think all of the products I used here is not more than 500 pesos each. Nasa 400 below lang siya, in fairness. Pero hindi ako sure sa bronzer at saka yung mascara guys kasi binigay lang sa akin yan. So yun. Yung eyebrows ko pala is the Milani Stay Put Brow Pomade Choo Choo. Yeah, I bought it sa APM, sa Shedlin Cosmetics. For 50 pesos, I think, yung price. So, yeah. Yung last is my lip color, and now I'm using this EB, Ever Bilena naman, Kris Kit, I think that's what it's called, in the shade Life, I think. So, yeah, ang ganda ng shade, as in, it's so flattering. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.